Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I have the card kit reveal and inspiration for our card kit of the month called Party Like a Panda. I'll start you off with our 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Party Like a Panda, and it has lots of fun pandas in different positions. We've got some hats and some crying pandas, also cakes, presents, great messages, balloons that you can put everywhere. So this is a fun Party Like a Panda stamp set. To continue the Panda Bear theme, we've also included the Simon Says Stamp picture book panda, and you can piece that back together to create your own adorable panda. Another fun thing that we've included are 4 sheets of Decofoil White Latte flock transfer sheets and 4 sheets of Decofoil Black Velvet flock transfer sheets. These are really soft and they are adhesive backed. We're also including a sheet of double-sided adhesive so you can piece your pandas back together and stick them onto your cards. To add a little shimmer and shine to your cards, we've also included a Spectrum Noir clear overlay sparkle pen. The printed papers this month are 12 sheets of Simon Says Stamp custom double-sided Doodlebug 6x6 papers. These have a birthday theme with balloons and cupcakes. There are also some really great patterns to use for backgrounds of your cards with every color of the rainbow. What I love about these colors is that you have girl colors, gender-neutral colors, and also some really fun boy colors. You can also mix and match some of the bold patterns along with the background patterns to make some really fun rainbow delicious cards. We've also included 2 envelopes, one in dull pink and one in bright white, and that has the peel and stick. Also, our cardstocks this month are black, white, dull pink, and peacock teal, all from Simon Says Stamp. So that is our Party Like a Panda card kit from Simon Says Stamp, and next up I have some inspiration to share. Jen Shirkus created an adorable card using the happy balloons and also the panda with the cake set onto a die-cut circle and then mounted onto some pattern paper that looks like confetti. Heather Roos stamped a mountain of presents and placed the panda bear right on top, and to finish it off, she added her greeting at the top of the card. I used the picture book panda for my card, and I cut out the happy balloons and placed that onto some bright pink cardstock, then trimmed it up with some rainbow color and my stamped greeting at the bottom. I hope you've enjoyed a look into our Party Like a Panda card kit and also inspiration using the kit. Be sure to check out our blog post and galleries for more inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.